Hello everyone. In this video I will explain what is abstract class in Java and what's the use of abstract class. So first of all, to understand abstract class, let's create a abstract class. Now in Java, normally when we define any class, that class actually having some uh, data members and some methods which are working on those data members. But sometimes we want to create just a template, a format, but we don't want to define the working of that method. For example, say if there is a project uh, going on, and if a project administrator want everyone to define a class with same name method, so what he will do, he will create a abstract class. He will declare all the methods without any definition, and he will give this class to everyone, and those people will follow all the rules and constraint, and they will define their class. So abstract class, what is abstract class? Abstract class is a class which have abstract method. Like, what is abstract method? So for example, say if I'm saying this is a method and this body I don't want to define right now, so this is a method without body. If we will compile this program, let's say we want to compile this program, uh, java c1 dot java. So here if you will see, it will generate an error. What is the error? Why is that error? Because in Java, the place you are declaring methods, the same place you have to define it. This is the rule. But sometimes we don't want to define at the same time. So in this same scenario, what we want to do, we want to declare the method now, but we want to define it later. So in order to do this code to work properly without any error, what we have to do, we have to put a abstract keyword before this method. So abstract method, we can say methods which are only declared, not defined, or a abstract without any body. Now again, if we will compile this program, again we will get some error. Okay, why is that? So if a class having any abstract method, that class become a abstract class, and abstract class has to be declared explicitly by using keyword abstract. So now this code will work fine. It will be compiled without any error. So there is no error now. So abstract class, a class which is having one or more than one abstract method. So in this class, you can define some method as well. Like, there is no constraint, you cannot define another method, but abstract class will be having one or more than one abstract method. And what is abstract method? Abstract method is a method without any definition. So every method without definition will be declared with a keyword abstract, and whenever a class having abstract method, that class has to be declared explicitly abstract class. Now what is the role of this class? Let's say there is a function and we want to demonstrate that this class is actually a mixture of normal method and abstract method. So now we will see the use of abstract class. Let's create a class ex, and then public static void main string arg, which is command line argument. And there is a one important property of abstract class. What is that? We will see that property in here. So what we have done, we are trying to create an object of abstract class. So let's see what your compiler will say at the time of compilation. So what it's saying, one is abstract cannot be instantiated. So this is very important property of abstract class. If a class is abstract, it means we cannot create object of this class. So this is statement new one. This is the statement which is making problem. We cannot create object of this class. Now question is that why, if we cannot create a object of abstract class, why there is a need to create a abstract class? Why there is a need to make a class abstract? So this concept will be clear now. Let's create a child class of abstract class. So we are making a child class too. Okay, and now try to create object of child class of abstract class. So here again the same problem. It's saying 2 is not abstract and does not override abstract method add in one class 2. So what is the thing is that when this class will extend class 1, everything from class 1 will be inherited in class 2. It means this method, abstract method, also will be available in class 2. And if a class is having abstract method, that class also become an abstract class. But here we are not specifying any abstract keyword. So there is a constraint on the child class. If you want to use child class, we have to provide definition for every abstract method that is declared in child class. So now we have defined this method. Now if you will compile this one, it won't say any error. So abstract class, important property, we cannot create object of this class. What is abstract class? A class having one or more than one abstract method. What is abstract method? Abstract methods which are only declared, not defined, and with abstract keyword. If any child class inherit abstract class, that child class has to provide definition of all abstract method of a abstract parent class. If child class won't provide definition of any of abstract method, then that child class also become an abstract class. So this abstract class will put a constraint on the programmer that if you are creating a child class from this one, you have to provide definition according to it. It means you have to override that method. So this is the usage of abstract class.